Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Today we will explore single-line diagrams for hotel electrical systems. This session will help you understand how these diagrams guide planning, installation, and maintenance for reliable hotel operations. Purpose of SLDs. Let's begin with the purpose of single-line diagrams. These diagrams represent how electrical power flows through a hotel. They show the main incoming supply, distribution boards, and connections to various systems. Engineers use them as a roadmap to ensure safe design and installation. They simplify communication between teams by presenting complex electrical systems in a clear format. They also support safety and compliance checks by documenting protective devices and safety isolators. Without them, electrical systems would be harder to manage and prone to mistakes. SLDs provide a common reference point for both design and maintenance teams. They improve understanding across contractors and technicians. They help in installation planning by showing connections clearly. They are therefore a foundation for safe and efficient hotel electrical systems. Key components in SLDs. Let's now examine the key components found in single-line diagrams. Main switchgear and circuit breakers represent the primary protection devices. Transformers convert voltage to levels required in different parts of the hotel. UPS systems and batteries provide uninterrupted backup power. Diesel or gas generators supply emergency energy during outages. Meters and monitoring devices track usage and performance. Distribution boards show how power is divided into hotel departments or floors. Each component has a specific symbol to ensure clarity. These components ensure that engineers can quickly understand the electrical system. Knowing them reduces errors during installation. They form the backbone of the entire electrical distribution system in a hotel. Switchgear symbols. Let's discuss switchgear symbols. Main incomer breakers show how the hotel connects to utility supply. Distribution board panels illustrate how power is distributed to guest areas, kitchens, or service corridors. Protective relays detect abnormal conditions and trip breakers to avoid hazards. Safety isolators disconnect circuits for safe maintenance. These symbols represent control and protection points across the system. Understanding them ensures that technicians can isolate faults and maintain safety. Misinterpreting these symbols can create serious risks. Switchgear symbols provide confidence that power flow is safe and manageable. They are essential for anyone working with hotel electrical systems. Transformer symbols. Let's now look at transformer symbols. Step-down transformers reduce utility voltage to usable hotel levels. Step-up transformers may be shown where higher voltages are required for certain equipment. Isolation transformers protect sensitive systems such as IT equipment from surges. Load ratings indicate the capacity of each transformer. Connection types explain how transformers integrate with hotel circuits. Their symbols show exactly where voltage conversion occurs in the distribution chain. Without transformers, hotels could not operate diverse systems requiring different voltages. Recognizing transformer symbols ensures safe installation and efficient energy flow. They provide the link between external supply and hotel operations. UPS symbols. Let's examine UPS symbols. Uninterruptible power supply systems appear in diagrams to highlight immediate backup sources. Battery connections are shown to provide temporary power during outages. Critical loads like IT servers, elevators, or emergency lighting are linked to UPS outputs. Monitoring points indicate where UPS systems are tested or serviced. UPS symbols reassure engineers that essential hotel operations remain uninterrupted. They represent a vital safety net when utility power is lost. Their presence in SLDs helps technicians identify critical supply lines. Understanding UPS symbols reduces downtime and protects guest experience. Generators in SLDs. Let's now explore how generators appear in single-line diagrams. Backup diesel or gas generators are drawn as emergency sources. Connection points show how they link to switchgear. Automatic transfer switches illustrate the changeover between mains and generator supply. Synchronization devices ensure smooth transitions without damaging equipment. These symbols demonstrate emergency power planning. They confirm that hotels can continue operating during utility failures. Reading generator symbols also helps plan regular testing and maintenance. They protect against unexpected blackouts and ensure reliability. Generators are vital for uninterrupted hospitality service. Meters and monitoring. Let's discuss meters and monitoring in single-line diagrams. Energy meters at main boards track total hotel consumption. Sub-meters measure usage by floor or department. Voltage and current measurement points are added to monitor system health. Monitoring devices provide real-time data to identify inefficiencies. This supports energy-saving strategies and cost control. Monitoring also helps detect abnormal loads before they become failures. Meters provide accountability by showing exactly where energy is consumed. They encourage departments to manage resources responsibly. They are central to both operational efficiency and sustainability. Examples in hotels. Let's now look at practical examples of SLDs in hotels. A hotel substation diagram shows the main incoming supply and protective devices. Service corridor diagrams highlight how electricity flows to back-of-house areas. Guest service diagrams illustrate how power reaches kitchens, guest rooms, and event spaces. System integration diagrams reveal how lighting, HVAC, and elevators connect. These examples make theory practical. They show how diagrams guide day-to-day hotel management. Examples help staff visualize and understand electrical networks better. Reading SLDs. Let's explore how to read single-line diagrams. The first step is to follow the power flow from source to destination. Symbols must be identified using the legend. Branching must be traced to understand how panels feed loads. Cross-checks with system layouts verify accuracy. Reading requires patience and attention to detail. Engineers must confirm every connection before installation. Misreading diagrams can cause costly and dangerous errors. Training and practice make reading faster and more accurate. Correct reading skills save time and protect guest safety. Consistency and standards. Let's discuss the importance of consistency and standards in SLDs. Standardized symbols create clarity across all diagrams. Compliance with electrical codes ensures safety and regulatory approval. Documentation must be updated whenever changes are made to the system. Consistency guarantees that every engineer reads diagrams the same way. This avoids confusion during emergencies. Standards also support audits and inspections. They build confidence in both installation and maintenance. Consistent diagrams ensure reliable hotel operations. Cross-referencing with P&IDs. Let's now consider cross-referencing with piping and instrumentation diagrams. Linking SLDs to P&IDs shows how electrical power connects to mechanical systems. This ensures that pumps, chillers, and fans are correctly integrated. Cross-checks prevent conflicts during installation. They also verify that systems are compatible. Coordination across drawings guarantees smoother projects. Cross-referencing is vital for large hotels with many interconnected systems. It avoids duplication of effort and reduces costly mistakes. Benefits for maintenance. Let's examine the benefits of SLDs for maintenance. They make troubleshooting faster by showing exact circuit paths. Faults can be isolated without shutting down the entire hotel. Preventive maintenance schedules can be planned based on diagram clarity. SLDs provide confidence that maintenance will not interrupt guest experience. They improve safety by documenting protective devices. They reduce downtime and enhance efficiency. Maintenance teams depend on accurate diagrams to manage complex systems. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's identify common mistakes to avoid with SLDs. Using incorrect symbols leads to misinterpretation. Ignoring load ratings risks overloading circuits. Poor labeling creates confusion for technicians. Outdated diagrams increase hazards because they no longer match the system. These mistakes are preventable through discipline and training. Avoiding them ensures reliability and guest safety. Mistakes must be corrected immediately when discovered. Accurate diagrams protect both staff and equipment. Best practices. Let's now review best practices for single-line diagrams. Always verify symbols and legends before use. Coordinate with plumbing and mechanical teams to confirm integration. Keep drawings updated after every renovation. Train staff regularly in reading and interpreting diagrams. These practices ensure that diagrams remain reliable. Best practices create a culture of precision and safety. They also improve teamwork across departments. Following them ensures smooth operations and strong compliance. Real-life example. Let's now consider a real-life example. A hotel substation diagram shows the main power entry and protective devices. Kitchen and lighting diagrams highlight essential load distribution. UPS and generator diagrams show backup systems for emergencies. Emergency systems diagrams illustrate evacuation lighting and safety power supplies. These examples reveal how SLDs apply to real hotel scenarios. They turn abstract theory into practical understanding. They also guide engineers during installation and maintenance tasks. Benefits to hotel operations. Let's examine the benefits of SLDs for hotel operations. They ensure smooth electrical installations with minimal disruption. They reduce downtime by providing accurate reference during troubleshooting. They improve energy efficiency by showing consumption patterns. They guarantee compliance with safety codes and standards. They make training easier by providing clear visual references. They also support long-term planning for upgrades and retrofits. Their benefits extend to both operational safety and guest satisfaction. Let's conclude by recognizing that single-line diagrams are essential tools for hotel electrical systems. They simplify planning, improve safety, and enhance maintenance. Thank you for learning with us. Register on our LMS portal at HEGSDC.com. Complete the course and download your certificate. Explore many more skill-based courses on our LMS portal.